Okay, so I'm going to talk to you about the, I guess you would call it the advantages of having a long landing page. You're going to ask, what signifies or what is the difference of a long landing page? A long landing page is basically a page that is longer, like there's a lot more information, there's more graphics, there's a lot more content. The importance or the advantages of having longer landing pages is, first of all, it shows authority. What is authority when it comes to landing pages? Well, it means that it shows that you are the professional, you are the smart one, you are the person that knows or is experienced in this product. You're showing them plenty of information that you've researched, you've developed, you've created this content for, and you're showing that you're very learned or very knowledgeable in this topic that you're pushing, the product or services that you're providing. Another really important thing is ranking, SEO, search engine optimization. The more content, the better. So we have a saying when it comes to SEO is that content is king. So when you have a lot of information on your website, you have plenty of graphics, those graphics have alt tags, you have information that shows the importance of your products and services and what are the advantages or disadvantages of those products and services, it gets people engaged. When you break things down in bullet points, you're showing them information that is important to what your website will provide them. It also helps with SEO. All that information, all of that content gets put out to search engines. The bots, all the spiders that crawl your sites and sees that information, they will take that and say, okay, these guys are knowledgeable, they have information. We'll definitely index these pages and we'll show that info on our search engines. So the more people that you have coming to your site, the more viewers that you see, the more people that are reading this information and seeing this, the more likely you will raise in rank. Another thing that is important is also your products, having unique features and showing the different pricing and the different benefits of your products. The better. They're going to, or your users are going to want to see what you have and what you're providing and what are the benefits of signing up or joining or booking or asking for a free quote. What are the benefits? What are you providing to me as a potential customer? So this is the breakdown of advantages for having a quality landing page, a longer landing page. Next video, we're going to go over the disadvantages of having a longer landing page.